ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ This is the power of the GHGs.
Remember, education is not just about textbooks and exams. It's about nurturing critical thinking, fostering creativity, and developing a well-rounded individuals who are ready to make a positive impact on the world.
ਮੈਂ ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਕਰਾਂ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਅੱਖਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਲੱਖ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ Which of the following is the largest continent by land area? Africa, North America, Asia, Europe. Yes, Kothe? Very good.
Best thing to all the streams. Students can become an IAS, IPS officers, IFS officers after completion the examination which is conducted by the UPSC.
Welcome to the new session 25-26. As you all are happy in the new class, same is with your teachers, same with your supervisors, same with me. We all are so excited to give you the new knowledge, to make you clear the new concepts, to give you the new activities, to see the smile on your faces. Whatsoever school plan for the full year, as we started from the today's special assembly, whatsoever we plan, we always keep one thing in mind, that our student must feel happy, they must learn something, and it is my vision that once the student enter in the school, from every step, from every glance, the student must get something new. I want to make your 6 hours here like the full of the knowledge, the full of joy, the full of excitement, and I wish that you must learn something new every day.
As we embark on this journey together, so let's make this upcoming year a truly remarkable one. Proud to be GHGians.